Hi there, my name's Kelly and I'm a school support coordinator with ChatterHigh. In this video, we'll explore the discussions tool in the Pathways Planner. This tool helps you capture and reflect on conversations you've had with a mentor about your future pathway options. A mentor could be a teacher, guidance counselor, parent, career or sports coach, or anyone who can give you helpful advice as you work toward your goals. To get started, give your report a clear title that will help you to identify it later. After meeting with your mentor, use the discussion notes section to record the key points from your conversation. These can include important steps that you need to take to reach your goal, changes in your plans as a result of your discussion, and of course, advice or insights your mentor has shared like skills to develop, programs to explore, or potential challenges. You can create as many discussion reports as you want, saving each one as you go. Once completed, you can also download a PDF of each of them for your records. This tool helps you reflect on your career and education planning, remember important advice, and make more informed decisions as your goals evolve over time. Best of luck with your discussions.